John Piper with the Thursday video, and it's Thursday the 17th of October. Starting with Bitcoin today. There is slightly more, more of a wave count here, which is of some interest. So we've got the possible 1 here, possible 2, possible 5 wave, 1 of 3, and now an A, let's move down to there, A, B, and a 1, 2, a 5 part 3, a 4 perhaps, and a 5. Now a 7866 wave C, i.e. this thing here, will equal wave A. So it becomes quite an important level, and if we get a solid bounce off there, then that would suggest that we have actually seen a low. If we see a corrective bounce, so another feeble ABC type thing, A, B, C, it suggests we're going to see a 5th wave down. So this thing here will become a 5 wave off the top, and that'll suggest we're going to see another leg down. These things can be very useful. They're not always definitive, but in the short term, we may well get some sort of signal one way or the other, either to go short if this is an ABC, or to go long if we see something a bit more positive. So hopefully there can be a resolution one way or the other soon. Even if we do break down, I don't think the potential is huge. I think 72, 73 should hold, possibly with a decent spike, and so maybe within a few weeks the doldrums will be behind us and we can go on forwards. Gold is seeing something similar really. We've got the a nice clean 5 up, A, B, C, nice spike there. It's in the right price range. Possible 5 here, and now it's all gone a bit dithery. We've got a few spikes. I mean, it's not looking negative as such, but it's not really setting the world alight either, and we need more to confirm a low. Silver is similarly obtuse, I think. We can in fact count this as a 1, 2, a 5 part 3, an ABC, 4, and then a 5. That could be wave 1. It's a rather messy count. Huge 4 wave and a tiny 2 wave, but that's not impossible. That will then give us an ABC here, A, B, C, and yet again we need some kind of confirmation. We've seen this fairly feeble bounce, but I guess any break above here would be encouraging. Right, the October expiry comes tomorrow to the chart of FTSE. We still have the 5 waves down, possibly a wave 1, followed by wave 2, 1 of 3, could be an ABC 2 of 3. So we have got a potential third of a third here, not much sign of it, but certainly there is a possibility of something happening, but I think it may all be news driven. Really, so much news at the moment. It seems to drive the market one way and the other, that it's very hard to predict such things. So look at the very short term. Well, I suppose we could claim this as a leading diagonal. So we've got a 1, 2, 3, a 4, and a 5, followed by an ABC. So I mean, FTSE could be poised to accelerate the downside, but I wouldn't have a very high confidence factor in that. I mean, there's a low risk trade. I guess you could push 20 odd points at the current level. Got a big round number, 7,200 there. But I say confidence level is not huge. Meanwhile, the DAX has broken above this high here, so it's making new highs. So no case at all there really. I mean, that is a 5 wave down, but it's been negated. I think a C count is better for this, and it's possibly a 1, 2, 3. But the 4 goes below 1, which shouldn't happen. They've got 5 there as well, so it could be the end of something as well, but no sign of it just yet as we're making new highs. And the Dow also looks positive in the shorter term. We've got this ABC here, A, B, C, suggesting we're going to see new highs here also. So again, no real reason to expect anything dramatic over the next few days. That's all for today. If you found it useful, back to the report on the weekend. Have a great day. Thanks for listening, and bye for now.